What is going on, guys? So today I got a quick video and it is what to do when your controller, your Xbox controller's Xbox button is not opening the game bar on your PC. So for me right now, for example, I'm pressing the Xbox button on the top of my Xbox controller. And this is the new Xbox One controller. It's the new Microsoft one, but I think any version of an Xbox controller opens the game bar if you press the button. Either way, it's not doing it right now and I'm in my game. So what should I do? I recommend pressing, actually let me, okay, leave me alone with that. Do Windows key and G to open the game bar. So now that we have the game bar open, go to settings, because now you'll be able to see what you want, right? You're in the game bar, you'll be satisfied. Don't do anything yet, go to settings, and then go to shortcuts here. And this is the setting that you probably have unselected. Make sure you select this. So that's pretty much the point of the video there. Now if this is selected and if I close it, press back, press B. If I press the Xbox button, the game bar now opens, the Xbox game bar. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you. There's also one more thing. If I exit the game here, if I do Windows key here, and we look for game bar settings, make sure this is also turned on. So allow your controller to open the game bar. If this is on as well and it's on through the game bar settings that I just showed you, it will work because now it is on in both spots for me. So yeah, it's working now. Whenever I press the button, game bar opens. So hopefully this fixes your issues, guys. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.